Yo, what's going on YouTube? Today we're gonna be working on a 1994 Dodge Cummins 2500. This is my grandfather's truck. He's had this truck since, I don't know when. The truck's got like 480,000 miles on it and it's been sitting for 5 years. So today's the day. We're gonna see if we can get it running. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below what I do wrong, because I don't know what I'm doing, sorta. We're gonna clean these dirty battery terminals just because this truck's been sitting forever and it's old as dirt, using some battery cleaner and this post and clamp cleaner. It's time to change the oil and fluids on this truck. Got the old filter out, the new one's got to go in. Here we go. This filter was, you see the dents on it. We couldn't even get it out, it was so caked on there. Now that we've got all the oil drained out, we got the new filter. We're gonna put some oil in it, get the new filter on there. Now it's time to fill her up with some oil as we're running out of daylight. Got the Rotella T. And we got the Lucas high mileage we're gonna put in there. Now that we got the oil change and the new oil filter on, the new batteries, we're gonna add the rest of this oil stabilizer, and I had to go get another gallon of oil to fill this thing up. Then after that, we're gonna check all the fluids and get her started up. Now that we got everything checked, got all the fluids in, we're gonna see if this thing will start up and then check all the fluids again. Here we go. Now we're gonna let it idle, let all the fluids run through there. All right guys, now that we got all the fluids changed and everything, we just found out we got a fuel leak. It's leaking diesel from the bottom of the fuel tank, so stay tuned for part 2. This will be part 1. Hopefully we can get this truck out of its grave. I'll show y'all where it's leaking. If you're brand new to this channel, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and stay tuned for more awesome content. Peace.